our next generation will learn English language. So let's start with that. My name is Hitesh Buddhadev. My professional course about spoken English with the help of audio and video system. Correspondence also important, reading and writing pattern, marketing management, personality development, all subjects of different standards. Why English is so important? Let's start. In present time, English is referred as a global language. In some countries, it is used as mother tongue, while others use as second language in schools. English has become a necessity in today's world because everything you want to understand, communicate, express is in English. So alphabet is the basic things. The areas where English is priority: education, job, web, better business, communication, technology, travel and tourism, and science also have importance of English. Since English have become global language, the teaching in most schools around the world have turned into English. At times when admissions are rejected at higher level when one can't communicate in English. To study abroad, exams are conducted which are followed in English language. It's very important for any entrance test conducted for further education. So importance of English in education is very important. Any formula or equation are expressed in English. People in medicines, aviation, IT or in any global business where science is connected do their communication in English. So science also gives importance to English. To use gadgets, English become necessary as instructions are given in form of English language. Nowadays, the most favorite Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, Google, etc. entertainment social sites requires English as well. One might say I upload my stuff in English or Hindi and Gujarati slang, but don't forget the medium of alphabets what you use are of English. એટલે આપણે એમ કહીએ કે હું તને કાલે મળીશ તો અંગ્રેજીમાં અક્ષર તો લખવા જ પડે. એટલે કે ટેકનોલોજીમાં પણ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે જ ઇંગ્લિશનું. To express one's idea through written or oral communication to other citizens around the globe for education, business, travel and one needs English. Importance of English for communication in outside country. Having power on the English language acts as benefit in getting job and promotion as well. To secure oneself in GPSC, UPSC, IPS, IAS, railway and airline and any government sector, job requirement of English is also prior list. Importance of English in job area. Since English is global language, it helps a lot when one is traveling abroad for business deals or leisure time, as the signs on map and on road are available in English. Plus, if one is not able to understand that country respective language, then they can communicate in English, which will be able to solve their problems to extent. So travel and tourism also have importance. To do as research work, one needs English. To design any web program, to use any gadgets, for business interaction via email, one can reach any different area by having their website. So web also one part of English. With the help of English, one can grow their business more efficiently by updating themselves with the market need and product through internet or books. One can even do e-marketing, for which again English is important. Plus English act as a bonus for businessmen in embarking his impression on their respective clients. So better business, importance of English is very good. Other language also we can learn from the English like Spanish, French, Chinese, Russian, Arabic, and management also needs personality development course, TOEFL, IELTS. That's also next generation need. There are 3 levels of English language: beginners, advanced, and expert. What we offer in English, that's the question. Who can join? Students, parents, businessmen, housewife, opportunities who wants to make his future with the help of English. That is the first level, beginner level. All these people can join. Who can join advanced level? Students, teachers, businessmen, counselors, telecallers, anyone who has base in English but need polishing. Who are eligible for expert level? That are bankers, teachers, trainers, executives, a person who needs a feather touch in overcoming his communicative weakness. That's are lots of questions about that. શું તમારું ભવિષ્ય સુરક્ષિત છે? શું આજથી 10 વર્ષ પછી ઇંગ્લિશ વગર માણસનું ભણતર યોગ્ય ગણાશે? શું ભવિષ્યમાં ધંધો આગળ વધારવા ઇંગ્લિશની જરૂર પડશે? શું એકલું પ્રભાવશાળી વ્યક્તિત્વ ઇંગ્લિશ વગર સમાજમાં પ્રભાવ પાડી શકશે? શું હજુ તમે હકીકતથી વાકેફ નથી? આ બધા પ્રશ્ન માણસોને મૂંઝવતા હોય. Almost there are 91 countries in the world where English is either first or second language. So hurry up before it's too late. The future is next. I am also available on WhatsApp. This is my number and I also have many videos in YouTube channel. I can also join Zoom. This is the course what I have already discussed. 100% feedback guarantee. My email is written here. I also visited different places like Morbi, Rajkot, Amreli, Junagadh, Jamnagar, Bhavnagar, Porbandar, and I have many locations that can make me go ahead. My WhatsApp number is 7984922459. Our experience at your service. That's the motto of our organization. Thank you.